Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. This is my summer nail polish rack. There are about 66 polishes here, and I just wanted to show them. Some of these you will not see on my channel as I do pedicures with some of these polishes. They are mostly unused by me, so some are new to the collection from this year, some are from last year. So I just want to show those off to you one by one. So I'm showing you the ones that are UV blacklight reactive. I've got quite a few on my rack for the summer. So starting on this first bottom row, left to right, this is Alchemy Lacquer's Sovereign. Next is Cirque Colors. This is brand new to my collection, and this is Road Rage. This is Cirque Colors' new edition as well, part of their Vice collection re-release, I believe. This is Electric Daisy. This is Glam Polish. This one was missing the label, and I looked it up, and it's Let's A Go. This is a beautiful pink from Rogue Lacquer, Party Like It's 1999. Glam Polish Lacquer, and this is the Scooby Gang. Essie, the Offbeat Chic. Emily Damali, Key Drama. Night Owl Lacquer, Heart of a Dying Star. Chameleon Nails, Mysterious Uranus. Second row from the bottom, starting with the H&M Sunlit Snapdragon. H&M Vintage Porcelain. Sassy Sauce Nito a Mojito. Red-Eyed Lacquer in Plaid is in. Rogue Lacquer with Dusnado or Dusnado. Alchemy Lacquer again with Heartbreaker. Alchemy Lacquer, Hurtis Wrote. I think that's how you say that one. Alchemy Lacquer's Moonlight Kiss. We have Orly I believe this one is pronounced Stifler. Envy with Help It Grow. Starting off the third row with Fancy Gloss Neon Pink Mix. Spa Ritual in Firefly. Lynn B Designs with Capricorn the Goat. Lynn B Designs with These Are Our Proverbial Onions. H&M with Devon Violet. Alchemy Lacquers Miscellany. Lurid Lacquer with Only Fools Fail to Admire. KB Shimmer in Color Me Rad. Linby Designs with Don't Dilly Dahlia. Fourth row, we have ILMP Bottoms Up. Cirque Colors High Roller. Polish Me Silly Lacquer, and this is Slimy Glow. Finding Feathers Lacquer with Slimerade. LA Colors Color Mania in Lyrical. Death Valley Nails, this is their old packaging, and this is Golden Smog. Rogue Lacquer with Autumn Orchard. Cattail with Candied Fairies. Sally Hansen in Made in Jade. Emily Damali with Yellow Smelt Quartz. Starting on the fifth row with ILMP, this is Playlist. Polished for Days Under the Sea. H&M Moonchild. Wildflower lacquer, banana butt. Polish for Days, blossom. KB shimmer, dressed to krill. Lenby Designs, apricity. Lenby Designs, Leo, the lion. Fancy Gloss, purple eclipse. The sixth row is starting with Glistening Glows, Jimmy. Monarch lacquer with icy meadows. Damn nail polish, traumatic static. Glistening glow, luck of the Irish. KB shimmer, it comes in waves. Night owl lacquer, the incredible sulk. Mooncat, mermaid bait. Mooncat, flight of the monarchs. Alchemy lacquer, paramour. Great Lakes lacquer, hand hugs from hell. For the last row, we'll start off with red-eyed lacquer, 3 stripes, and you're out. Spa ritual, walk in the woods. Emily Damali, on my mind. Cuticula, cursed forest. China glaze, for the dreamers. Fancy gloss, the last unicorn. LA Colors Color Craze Gel, and this is magical. KB Shimmer in Silky Drawers. And the final polish here is Fancy Gloss Rainbow Moonstone. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you have on your rack. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.